Right since I first showed you the chicken kafrial recipe, my messengers, emails and comment section have been filled for requests for Goan recipes. Well, this one is not the most traditional recipe. Of course, barring the spice paste and the sorpotel paste. Well, I've leaked the name already. I'm making chicken sorpotel. The original recipe, of course, chooses another meat, but this one is for all you chicken lovers out there. Hey guys, it's me, the Bombay chef Varun Inamdar, and welcome to Get Curried. Let's begin with chicken sorpotel. There are two parts to this recipe. The first part is actually the meat part of it. Of course, if you're choosing pork meat or any other meat, then it's a complete different story. But I'm using chicken. Now this is chicken breast, chicken leg, gizzards, hearts and livers. All I've done is I've marinated this with turmeric powder, salt and just kept it aside for some time. Let's begin with the second component, and that is grinding the paste, which is also known as the sorpotel paste. The first thing that goes in are some red chilies. Now these, of course, you can choose chilies which give you good color and spice. I've taken a combination of these two. To this, I'm going to add in cloves of garlic along with pieces of ginger, sugar. The next are some whole spices, primarily a stick of cinnamon, cloves and peppercorns. Along with this, I'm going to add in tamarind, with literally like a lemon-sized ball of tamarind. To accentuate the sourness, I'm going to add in white vinegar. Well, you can use toddy vinegar, you can use coconut vinegar, choice is completely yours. We need to grind this into an absolute smooth paste using a little bit of water. Our sorpotel spice paste is done and ready. And the next step, trust me, is the easiest because it's all about mixing these 2-3 more ingredients. And that's where you have the most amazing sorpotel with you. If you check the paste, it's nice and smooth, and that's exactly how we want it. Let's heat a pan on medium flame. To this, I'm going to add in the pieces of chicken, which are marinated and kept here. No oil in this recipe, remember that, because the natural fat from the chicken is going to add in to the fat of this recipe. To this, I'm going to add in the spice paste. And along with this, onions, which are diced and ready. A touch of salt for that final taste and flavor. Remember the fact that we marinated the chicken with salt and turmeric. One quick mix. And this cooks on medium to low flame for at least 20 minutes. We need to mix all of this wonderfully well. Cover this, lower the flame to medium, and allow this to cook for 20 minutes or till all the different parts of chicken are cooked and ready. After 20 minutes of cooking time, you're not supposed to open the lid for another 15 minutes. Now, those 15 minutes are also up. Let's have a quick check. One quick stir, and the chicken and the other parts of chicken would have all cooked perfectly well. Let's serve this. If you wish to eat this as a pickle, this also goes amazingly well. Just bottle this up in a sterilized bottle, of course, and keep eating it for weeks at end. This goes amazingly well with sannas or even fugias for that matter. On that note, make this for your family, make this for your friends. My mouth is already salivating. Like the video if you've liked it, and stay tuned to Get Curried. Bye for now.